Good morning, students. For class 6th, Clever Tenali Rama Krishna, we discussed this, we started with the topic what Clever Tenali Rama Krishna, clever one who solves the problem in a tactical way, in an intelligent way, may not be good at studies. So what that problem was in the kingdom and how did he solve that problem in a very witty manner. He was a witty poet, court gesture in the court of Krishna Devaraya. So how did he solve? What was the problem actually started with what? There was a painter called Vikrama Charita. So he was so fine painter that everybody appreciated his painting. He was absolutely no doubt he was an excellent painter, and even emperor also was so pleased. And finally he asked him to reward him for whatever he liked. Ultimately what he did out of his happiness, he awarded him as the chief advisor of that kingdom. Okay, everybody appreciated, applauded, and he even Chitravarma also was so stunned because of his not having such knowledge in advisory member committee. How could he get that position? How could he hold that position? That's what the main important part was of Chitravarma. Still, on the talent, on the skill of his painting, he was awarded, he was offered with such a post. Now even every members, every courtiers, all ministers were agreed to King Krishnadevaraya's opinion. Later Tenali Ramakrishna entered and he opposed this idea. What that idea was? To appoint a good painter to a chief advisor. This is the what the offer was. But as per Tenali Ramakrishna, he was against this idea. What actually his thought was not to believe a talented painter as an advisor, because he might be talented in paintings but not be good as an advisor. That's what his opinion was. But what happened later, that's what we discussed. And how did he manage to convince the king? That's what the next topic, the paragraph, it is in the form of conversation. So from this lesson what we learn how to write dialogues between 2 or 3 people. That's what conversation is all about, dialogues. Okay, using contracted forms, don't, can't, won't, like these words we have to use. We should not use I am not feeling well, I am not feeling well, I don't have money, like these words. So now page number 3 we have completed up to now. Tenali said, excuse me sir, I don't think that a good painter or talented painter can be appointed as an advisor. So up to now we have completed. Now how Krishnadevaraya responded to that, that's what we learn. The member of Vijayanagaram, now Krishnadevaraya, the emperor of Vijayanagara knows what is right. Minister, please make an announcement that Chitravarma will be the chief advisor hereafter in our court. Hereafter, one new word is there, hereafter. So this means not from now onwards. So one new word you have learned, hereafter. Hereafter meant ippudu nunchi, from now onwards. So, but what actually Tenali Rama opposed this idea and against గా వెళ్ళాడు. వద్దు సార్ పెయింటర్ కి ఒక అడ్వైజరీ కమిటీలో పెట్టడం ఇది గుడ్ ఐడియా కాదు. ఏమో అతనికి పెయింటింగ్ లో గుడ్ అవ్వచ్చు కానీ అడ్వైజరీ కమిటీలో అతను ఫిట్ కాకపోవచ్చు. సో మీ ఐడియా ఒకసారి ఆలోచించండి అనేసి Tenali Rama explain చేశారు. బట్ Krishnadevaraja was in his own mood. He said that king only knows what is good for the people and good for the kingdom. So he made the declaration, announced that Chitravarma was the chief advisor of their kingdom. Okay, announcement made and he was declared as the chief advisor of the committee. So this is what the appointment order given to Chitravarma. Now minister, yes your majesty, I will make an announcement in our empire. There should be, in those days it was not like handwritten documents, it was all about announcements only. Announcements by using drums and bands and horns and musics. Somewhere they announced over all the villages and even in the kingdom also about the new appointment of an advisor. Okay, so it was announced. But Chitravarma's plans and actions led to confusion everywhere. He had never handled the matters of court before. But as per the person itself, he was so confused about the appointment because he never handled. Handled means controlled. A painter who always uses brush and paint and canvas, that's all his life is all about. How could he understand these appointment? And he never handled these kind of situations, ruling the country, ruling the kingdom, giving an advices. These kind of things he was not aware of. That's why he was in a confusion state. How to manage, how to respond, how to react to King Devaraya's response. This is what the problem was with Chitravarma. So his decisions were irrelevant. His conclusions lacked sense. So his means who King Krishna Devaraya's decisions irrelevant. Irrelevant is the word. Irrelevant. No facts. అంటే ప్రూఫ్స్ ఉండవు అనమాట. అతనికి ఈ చిత్రవర్మ చెప్పలేదు అనుకుంటున్నాడు అనమాట. మా రాజుకి ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ తెలియకుండే ఏదో ఇచ్చేయడం అదే తెలుసు. హీ ల్యాక్ అంటే ఏంటి? తక్కువ అనమాట. హీ irrelevant, his conclusions lacked sense. Conclusions అంటే ఒక కన్క్లూడింగ్ పార్ట్కి వస్తాం, ఒక అల్టిమేట్లీ అంటాం కదా, at last we finally decided అని. సో ఆ కన్క్లూజన్ ఏమొచ్చి ల్యాక్డ్ సెన్స్ లేదు, మైండ్ సెట్ లేదు. అంటే ఏది పడితే అది అతను చేసిన పని ఒక సెన్సిబుల్గా ఉండదు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ వెరీ సెన్సిబుల్ లాజికల్ వే ఆఫ్ థింకింగ్. జస్ట్ announced but never cared for what was the announcement was. Okay, whether it was justified to people or not. That's what he lacked ante eti short off ante తక్కువ అనమాట. అతనికి ఆ సెన్స్ తక్కువ, డెసిషన్ తీసుకునేలో ఆ సెన్స్ యూజ్ చేయడం తక్కువ అనమాట. Okay, with this the people grew impatient. Impatient ante lost control. Impatient, having no patience. సహనం లేకపోవడం అయిపోతుంది. దీనివల్ల ఈ ప్రజలకి ఇతను చేసిన ఇలాంటి అనౌన్స్మెంట్లు, ఇలాంటి థింకింగ్స్, ఇలాంటి డెసిషన్స్ పబ్లిక్ ఏట్ అవుతుందంటే ఒక పేషెన్స్ కోల్పోతున్నారు. అంటే వాళ్ళకి తెలియట్లే ఏది కరెక్ట్గా జరుగుతుందో లేదో అని. సో ఇలాంటి టైప్ ఆఫ్ కృష్ణ కింగ్ దేవరాయ అని అతను అనుకుంటున్నాడు. యట్ ద ఎంపరర్ కంటిన్యూ టు సపోర్ట్ హిమ్. అయినప్పటికి కూడా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు ఎవరు? కృష్ణదేవరాయ అతనికే. ఇంకా ఇన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇతను ఒక గుడ్ పెయింటరే కానీ అన్ని చేయలేరు, అడ్వైజింగ్ కమిటీలో చేయలేరు. అయినప్పటికి కూడా ఇన్ని తెలుసుండి కూడా ఇతనికి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు అంటే ఇట్స్ గ్రేట్ థింగ్. ద ఎల్డర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎంపైర్ డిసైడెడ్ టు సీక్ హెల్ప్ ఫ్రమ్ ది కోర్ట్స్ జస్టిస్ తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ ఇన్ దిస్ మ్యాటర్. ఈ మ్యాటర్లో ద కోర్ట్ జస్టిస్ అంటే అదర్ మినిస్టర్స్ ఉంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళు తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ ఒపీనియన్ తీసుకోవడానికి రెడీ అయ్యారు. Tenali Ramakrishna told them that he had an idea and assured them not to worry. So, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం, ఈ అపాయింట్మెంట్ చేయడం వల్ల ఎవ్రీబడి ఫెల్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమేటిక్. ఓకే, అందరికీ ఇది ఒక షాక్డ్ లాగే అనిపించింది. బికాస్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ అప్రోప్రియేట్ డెసిషన్. ఓకే, బట్ కింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ క్రేజీనెస్ ఆర్ మ్యాడ్నెస్ ఆర్ హ్యాపీనెస్, out of that he appointed him as an advisor. But everybody knew that because they have that sense of common sense that this painter could not be fit for that post. So everybody were in shock. So what they did, they decided to seek help. Seek ante take, ask and avoid. So ask help from Tenali Ramakrishna. Everybody went to Tenali Rama and he asked the help from Tenali Rama. Sir, this was the problem. We all knew that this could not be possible. He could not be the good advisor of the committee. But how could we solve this problem? How could we convince? Raj ki ela convince cheyala కి అతను పెయింటరే, మంచి అడ్వైజర్ కాకపోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే నేను చెప్పాను కదా, అందరూ అన్నింటిలో ఎక్స్పర్ట్ అవ్వకపోవచ్చు. కొంతమంది రైటింగ్లో వెరీ గుడ్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్, కొంతమంది స్పోకెన్లో, కొంతమంది రీడింగ్లో. సో ఇలాగా ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ హ్యావ్ డిఫరెంట్ స్కిల్స్. ఓకే, సో ఆల్ కెనాట్ మిక్స్ టుగెదర్. సో అలాగే ఎలాగా కింగ్కి చెప్పాలి అని అందరికీ ప్రాబ్లం. సో తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ హ్యాడ్ అన్ ఐడియా అండ్ అష్యూర్డ్ అంటే ఏంటి? ప్రామిస్డ్ అంటే వాళ్ళకి ప్రామిస్ చేశారు. ఓకే, ఐ హ్యావ్ అన్ ఐడియా. హీ హ్యాడ్ అన్ ఐడియా అండ్ హీ అష్యూర్డ్, హీ ప్రామిస్డ్ దట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి ఆల్ రైట్, I would take care of this matter, don't worry అని తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ informed. One day తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ approached the emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya. So now scene where ended. తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ approached means here came or visited. So okay, this announcement was made, everything done. So now Tenali Ramakrishna had his own idea. So one day he came to that kingdom and now he talked to Krishna King Devaraya. What was the conversion was all about? What was his idea? How did he hit a plan? That's what we learn in next class. And how did he solve this problem in a very funny manner or in a logical manner? That's what. Okay, thank you.